In the meantime, Heroes Circle was the scene of a lunchtime protest with participants saying the issue of the salary hike for politicians will not be a 9-day wonder. Now, Aisha Nation was there and filed this report.
From Emancipation Park last week, now across from the Ministry of Finance at the Heroes Circle, people are again protesting that they need the government to roll back the salary increases. And they say they will continue to protest until changes are made.
We don't have a problem with a 200 or 300 or 500% increase, except when it is for the person or groups for whom it would get them to a position where they can have a livable wage. But for those for whom a 200% increase would really make very little difference in the standard of living that they have, it's not fair.
They say even though Prime Minister Andrew Holness announced that he will forego the increase, it's not enough.
He's the one person who says that he's not taking that. That don't work. It's unacceptable. What about the teachers? What about the minimum wage? What about all of us as citizens of Jamaica who are struggling, especially those who have children who have to cut corners every single day? Think about the teachers. I have many friends who are teachers and police, and they feel it.
This is another series of protests since the announcement of the increase last week. And for these protesters, this will not be a 9-day wonder.
I think this is going to be, a big thing coming. We have a revolution kind of taking place here in that sense that people are ready to speak up and show that we're serious about bringing Jamaica into a more equal space.
Right is right and wrong is wrong. This is wrong. Plain and simple. This is just downright wrong, 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 wrong.
They offered suggestions on when and how the increases should be made.
The next time that they want a raise, we can be like, yes, this is great because you guys work so hard. We see the changes in our streets, in our hospitals, in our fire stations, in our schools, and then we can feel like, yes, you deserve a raise, you deserve everything, because we see the changes on the ground where people can afford their groceries and they don't have to try and cut back here and there just to make ends meet.
There's going to have to be a complete revamp of the entire system that's going to be governing the salary increases and how or which body determines who gets what salary. It can't be the parliament that determines that. It has to be an independent body.
Aisha Nation, TVJ News.